Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to make Hot-N-Honey Chicken and Waffles. I'm using 6 of these waffles, and I already cut them up into about an inch and a half little squares. And I'm going to be using also some shredded chicken, and all the store had, if I can turn it up right so you can read it, is the fajita seasoned grilled chicken. And it's kind of shredded. I'm going to make it a little smaller and add it in. You only need a cup, okay? And we're going to mix this all together. And okay guys, I used that whole entire package of the fajita chicken. And I just made sure it was smaller pieces. So this is like a 1 pound package. So I just put the whole thing in. I didn't know what I was going to do with a little bit. But next, we're going to get our eggs and milk mixture. We're going to make it like a custard. We're going to need 6 eggs, a cup of cheese, any cheese that you like, and 2 cups of milk, and a pinch of salt. And we're going to mix that together, and then we're going to pour it over the waffle and chicken mixture, and then we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, I whipped up 6 eggs. Now I have my 2 cups of milk going in. Whisk that together a little bit. Okay, I'm using this cheese. It has cheddar, Swiss, and Gruyere. It's a really good cheese to cook with. And it's a 7-ounce package. And guess what? It's all going in. So we're just going to put it in. The recipe does call for a cup, but you know, I'm changing it up a little bit. So we got that mixed in. And now we're going to put our custard and our waffle and egg mixture together. I'm going to put it in this, I believe it's like a 9 by 6. It's pretty deep little pan, but normally a 9 by 9 or 8 by 8 will work. So we're going to pour this in. Okay, got my waffles and chicken mixture in, and we're going to pour the custard in. And then just spread out the cheese best you can. Okay, we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes. It's going to sit here for 10 minutes. And then we're going to pop it in a 375 degree oven for 20-25 minutes. Okay guys, next you can use jalapeno, habanero, whatever pepper you like. I'm using a poblano pepper. It's not as spicy as a jalapeno. And we're going to use honey. We're going to mix these together and set them aside until the chicken and waffles are done. And then we're going to pour it out over top of it. So that's where you get your hot and honey mixture from. Okay, so this is more, to me, is going to be a mild honey chicken. But yes, you use jalapeno. That's what the recipe calls for. Or a poblano pepper. Or habanero. However hot you want to make it. Okay? And then we're going to dice up some green onion and sprinkle it over the top of it. Okay, when it comes out. So, let's get this going. Okay, guys, I diced up about half of this pepper. Okay, and now we're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of honey. And measure with your heart, guys, you know. It makes the recipe so much better. And then we're just going to mix this guy up. And then when the chicken waffles come out, we're just going to pour it over it and dress it up with some green onion. Okay, it just came out of the oven. Doesn't it look great? Okay, now we're going to pour our honey and pepper mixture over the top. Oh yeah. Kind of spread it around. Kind of hard doing it with one hand. Should have set up a tripod. But hey, that's life. And then I'm going to take some of our green onion here, and we're just going to sprinkle it over the top. Just like that. Alright, guys. We're going to let this sit for about 5-10 minutes. Let it cool off. Everything meld. And then we're going to dig into it. Okay, guys. It's cooled off enough. We're going to serve it up. Oh, that smells good. Okay. There you have it. Hot-N-Honey Chicken and Waffle. Who knew? Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.